Hello everyone, I am back with my new video. In this video, your children will learn how to draw a bug, parrot, mouse and elephant in a very easy way. So let's get started today's drawing art. After watching this video, make your children draw these animals and send me the pictures of your children's drawing in my comment box. Let's get started. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Hope you like it. My videos are also available on IGTV of Instagram page of Akash Rathod. Till then, I'm waiting for more and more pictures in my comment box. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you already subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon for my latest updates. Thank you.